Hi, this is Matthew May with QuickRegisterSEO.com, and today I'm going to show you how to temporarily turn off your Avast free antivirus. So the first thing you do is you come down here to this little arrow on the lower right, and you click on it, and you'll see the icon for Avast free antivirus right here. You right-click, and you go to Avast Shields Control. Then you go to Disable for whatever period of time you want. Disable for 10 minutes, 1 hour, until the computer restarted. Disable permanently. Let's just try 10 minutes. We're going to go here, click it. You're going to get a notification from Windows Security. So now we check here. Let's just click off this. And we open it up, and you get this horrible message, horrifying message. All your shields are turned off. And basically what this means is your life is going to start getting better. Now what you want to do is create an exception so that the software that you were trying to use and that Avast was trying to stop you from using, the software that you know doesn't have any viruses in it. For example, I make my own software, and a lot of times Avast tells me, oh, your software has a virus, but I know it doesn't because I just made it. But anyways, those are called false positives, and antivirus software are notorious for them. As a matter of fact, if you have a software from a smaller publisher, you almost always will get false positives. But this is how you get around it. Now that you've temporarily turned off the antivirus, come here to Menu, and you go to Settings, and we're going to look for Exceptions. And you can see I've made a lot of exceptions already here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an exception to the software that I want to use, actually to the whole folder, so that I can use the software. So I come here, I go to the hard drive, and I'm going to pick one of my software, and let's see here, let's just try this. I might have done it already. It's going to whitelist basically, or create an exception for the entire folder. So I go here, I add the exception, there I go. Now when I try to use that software or any software in that folder, it's going to let me do it because I've given the green light and I've said that, hey, there's no viruses in the software. I'm willing to use it. Now, it might take a few times. You might need to restart the computer. It might take them a little while to recognize it. So you might get it a few more times, the antivirus message, but it'll work. Okay. So then you want to close this. You go back to the little icon, and you want to right click and Shields Controls, and you want to enable all shields. So there we go. Now you get the really nice green message that says your computer is protected, more or less, because they're not that reliable, these antivirus software. But in any case, so that's how you do it. I'd like to invite you to click the link below and join my newsletter and download $597 of free marketing software. We promise there's no viruses in it. And if you get a false positive, now you know what to do to get it going. So I'd like to invite you to do that. I'd like to also invite you to subscribe to my not just newsletter, but to my YouTube channel, and click the notification icon so you'll be the first to know when we come out with new software, etc. So thank you so much. This is Matt May with QuickRegisterSEO.com.